I wanted to show you why I think that the market is currently at a critical range. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky. I'm just going to be sharing my thoughts with you guys. Please let me know down in the comment section if you agree or disagree. I'm not here to say that, again, the market completely has to correct itself. All I'm here to point out is that market is not progressing consistently, right? If we look at this on the 4-hour time frame, we still have a descending pattern. And I feel like a lot of people don't really look at this because different time frames give you different perspectives. And when you look at the smaller time frames, sometimes I'm like, okay, markets are going to recover, right? It makes sense. Well, no, not necessarily, because if we look at this on the 4-hour, we could still see that we have a strong descending pattern, lower highs, lower lows, and market sentiment. Maybe it's just me. I feel like the market just is very volatile right now. Whatever got factored in over the weekend that caused the market to sell off, that instilled some fear, if you believe it's the overreaction of AI, if you think that it's because of what happened over in Japan with the carry trade, whatever it is that you think it might be, it looks like it's still bringing some form of fear or uncertainty in the market. And this is why I'm making this video, just to proceed with caution. The reason I say that we're at a critical point is we are very, very close to either breaking above this EMA and actually showing signs of a recovery. This is QQQ, which is the NASDAQ 1-for-1 ETF. So if the market does begin to show signs of steady higher highs and higher lows, it breaks above the EMA and indicates signs of a reversal, then great. Looks like markets are going to be headed back to trying to make all-time highs. Sure. But as of right now, the reason we're at a critical range is because, well, we're not above EMA. We could get rejected here. And if we do get rejected and selling pressure resumes, we could continue to sell off and end up making new lows. We have to be aware of both sides. And that's exactly why I'm making this video, so it doesn't catch you by surprise. I am not here to say that the market has to get rejected or the market has to recover, but we're at a critical inflection point with the market where we could get rejected or we could begin to break above. And it's really coming down to the next few days where we will be seeing the market decide. There's no reason on why to predict the future when all you literally have to do is wait for the market to react. Kind of like today. During my live trading session with the LPP team, I waited for NVIDIA to become overbought, indicate signs of some selling pressure, and then I opened up a short position. NVIDIA is an incredibly bullish stock, but I waited for direction to be favorable and margin to be profit potential or profit margin to present itself where I could make money on the downside. And the more I waited for this thing to run up, the more I ended up selling off when direction was favorable. I walked away with $4,600 in the green. And as you guys can see, I left myself just with my one lucky share. So my short position is actually closed because I'm still waiting to see, okay, well, do I want to go long with these stocks or do I want to go short? And that's exactly why I'm making this video. Not to try to predict, but just to simply make you aware. I am choosing to proceed with caution because, yes, we could get rejected here just as much as we could begin to show signs of a reversal. So please make sure that for the next few days, you are paying attention to where we begin to show signs of progress because there's always money to be made. We can make money in bear markets and we can make money in bull markets as long as we focus on one thing, and that is progress and two things, I guess. Progress and direction. I really enjoyed my live trading session today. I got amazing feedback from our LPP students where they got to hear my entire thought process behind every trade I took when I was shorting NVIDIA. I went long, I went short, I was adding more to my size for the position. I was reducing size. If these are questions or things you've never experienced before and you learn best by watching other people as they do, then again, please make sure that you take 2 minutes, click that second link in the description down below, learn more about our LPP team, and see if it would be a good fit for you because you could sign up tonight and watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow by the time the market opens. And yes, it is a one-time payment, lifetime access, and right now you get it 50% off before prices go up in September. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.